Hi, I'm ITV.
I'm HTV.
I'm Carlton.
And I'm Mel WP. And today we are cooking pizza, burgers, and fries. Let's get started.
All right, to make the pizza, we just have to put the frozen pizza in the oven and set it according to the box.
To make the burgers, we need to cook meat patties in a pan. We also got cheese, buns, ketchup, and mustard, and also tomatoes and lettuce.
To make the fries, we just have to open frozen fries and put them to the oven as well. Now you will have to eat.
Oh, now I'm going to add a poop to the burgers, pizza, and fries. This is going to be so funny. There. Now I will have to wait.
All right, here is the food on the Max TNT18 video.
Wow, this looks good. I agree. Me too.
Wait, what are those brown things on the pizza?
They are sausage rolls.
Weird. I don't remember these. The box just said pepperoni.
Anyways, let's eat.
What the fuck? What did I just eat? There is the pizza.
There's also poop on the burgers. There's even poop on the fries.
Oh my god! Here's poop on the food!
So guys, how was the food? Not very good at all. This food sucks.
I should have smelled the poop first.
It was me who added the poop.
It's TV! You haven't poop on the food! That's not funny at all!
I'm sorry. I'm easy. I will make another pizza and burgers. Oh god, I'm going to puke. Same here. Me too.
As well as me.
Too bad. They're already puking because of you. That's it. You're fired. Leave right now.
That was fucked up.
That's it. I will never ever see ITV again.
I would like to stop the food because I used to stop all the time.